With a heavy heart, I just want to clear the doubts among the parishioners and the public. The recent demolition happened of the Little Flower Church, Andheriya Mode, Ambad Nagar Colony, Chhatarpur. May I clarify, true to my heart and faith, with utmost honesty, this land belonged to Gram Sabha, which is legally allotted for poultry farmers in 1975. We were under the occupations of this said land since 1985. Being the poultry could not run on those areas because of the population, every habitat started their own business in export house, Ayurvedic centers, many other business. I was having my art gallery and my architect office there. Since 2000 to 2005, this land was not under any use of mine because I have alternative land. So the parishioners approached me in 2005, could they use this place for worship? And without any second thought, being we are the parishioners of the same church, in front of the parishioner representatives and Father Jose, now who is not in Delhi, we said, Father, my friends, this is the happiest moment of our life. There was no liability whatsoever, no debt. This was given with utmost happiness. Today, after 15 years, the church existed, worshiping was taking a regular place. All of a sudden, somebody comes and demolishes place with insufficient notice. The answer can be only given by the higher authority. One thing I can clarify, this is not only the property existing for worship in Ambedkar Nagar Colony. This is a multi-religious communities living in and around of 3 kilometers radius. Buddhist monastery, masjid, many temples, gurudwaras and Jain temples. Not one, many. This all happening in 3 to 5 kilometers. I could not understand why you single out one property and say this is not legal. The property is legal. If you have done any commitment, you give a chance to answer to this. I have nothing more to add. I feel so regret why they victimized us. Thank you all. Any clarification in the future you wanted, always welcome. We are alive by the grace of God. Thank you all.